Today, I have created a kid story video in just 20 minutes using AI that you can upload on YouTube and make money by monetizing the channel. So watch the video first, then I will show you everything step by step on how to create.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a kind-hearted boy named Harry. He loved spending time outdoors, exploring the beauty of nature. One day while Harry was playing in the woods, he heard a faint chirping sound. Following the sound, he discovered a tiny, injured hummingbird lying on the ground.
If you want to make such cartoon story videos and earn money from YouTube, then you must watch the full video. So let's get started. We will divide this video into 4 parts. In step number 1, we will generate a story script for our video. In step number 2, we will generate a voiceover for our story video. In step number 3, we will generate images for our story. In step 4, we will combine edit all these things to make a video. Step number 1, since we want to make an animated kid story video, so we must need a story script. If you search on Google kid story, you will find lots of articles. You can choose anyone and use it for your videos. Since I have a very short time, so I will copy it from my Google Doc. You can also use ChatGPT to generate a unique story for your videos. If you don't know how to generate a story using ChatGPT, you can watch this video. So when you have generated your story or copied it, your step number 1 will be completed. Now we move to the second step. In this step, we will create a voiceover for our story. So many people saying that YouTube doesn't monetize AI voice, but this is totally wrong. You can find a lot of channel on YouTube which uses AI voiceover, but they are earning money and their channel is monetized. So we can use AI voice without any concern. You can use your own voice also. To generate voiceover, we are going to use 11 Labs. You can use any text-to-speech website. I like this website because this is free, and here we have lots of voices to choose from. So here we need to paste our script. Now click on Generate, and it will be generated in just 1 minute. Now we can listen to the voice by clicking here.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a kind-hearted boy named Harry. He loved spending time outdoors.
Now we can download this voice by clicking here. Your step number 2 is also completed. Now we move on to the third and most important part of our video, in which we will generate visuals or images for our story. And we will do it in Blue Willow AI. If you don't know how to use Blue Willow, you can watch my tutorial. I will put the link in the description. But just for your information, I am attaching screenshots of the prompts which I used to create my images. You can pause the video and copy those prompts. Using my prompts as an example, you can create similar quality looking images for your story. So you have to generate all the required images for your story in Blue Willow and download them. After this, your step number 3 is also completed. Now we move to the last part, in which we will combine and edit all of these things to make a story video. You can use any video editor you like. I will use the CapCut app on my PC, because CapCut is a very simple and basic software. You can use the CapCut app on your mobile phone also. Just you have to download it from Play Store and install it on your phone. Then open the CapCut app and click on the New Project button. Now import all the images and voiceovers you created. Now import any background music if you want. You can download it from the YouTube library or any other free audio website. Now adjust the placement of your images and add any transition or effects you want. In this video, I will use the mix transition. And from the effects section, I will use the mini star effects. Also, I will use an animation which is pendulum. You will find all of these transitions, effects, and animation on the CapCut app for free. You must use everything. If you can't understand any of the steps, then simply watch the video again in slow motion, because CapCut is a very easy editing tool. You can also add subtitles using this tool very easily. Just go to Text and Auto Captions, then click on Create. And now you can see the result. Now you can customize these captions and make them more professional like this.
Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a kind-hearted boy named Harry. He loved spending time outdoors, exploring the beauty of nature. One day while Harry was playing in the woods,
Now to download this video, just go to export. Again, export. And it will be downloaded into our PC, so your video is ready to be uploaded on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.